apart from the oil and gas sector, what's the blueprint?
Well, I want to be involved in massive agriculture. We must have farms in partnership with the private sector that produces things, that manufacture things. So you can see Rivers Farm Limited that produces all the food we want. You can see Rivers Fisheries Limited that produces all the fish we want because we are surrounded by aquatic blessings, aquatic pleasure, aquatic treasure that we need to explore. A riversman does not need to eat fish from Norway because how many rivers do they have in Norway that we don't have here? So we want to go into massive industrialization. We have to create an industrial estate in Omoku. We create an industrial estate in Bori. We create an industrial estate in Eleme by the petrochemical, using petrochemical feedstock to produce polyvinyl chlorides and all those stuff. I'm an engineer, you know that. The Trans-Amadi industrial layout will be refurbished. So we want to start 4 industrial estates from day one so that we will put more jobs in the state so that people can work freely. We will do a lot of things to improve the social security safety net. Social security safety net, I know, you know what it means. We want to have the Rivers State health insurance scheme fully running to absorb pains from parents. We'll be able to give free medical to people between 1 to 10 years age. We will be able to give loan for people who want to establish industries in this industrial estate. This industrial estate is not a robot. People have to industrial. So we have a 100 billion naira revolving fund to create soft loans for people who want to introduce industry. So we have so many things to do. Look at the blueprint and you'll be convinced.
Right, finally,
I expect that in the primaries, this is no longer time of carry go. This is time for delegates to clean their eyes, see who is who, and cast their vote appropriately. I am sure, like I say, I'm the bridge between the boys and the men. And I know what it takes, what the boys want, and I know what the men want. I know what the state wants. So the delegates should not waste their vote than to cast it to me. I am the right man for the job. And see, when you have a job to do, there are 2 people you need in a job. When you have a job to give, there are people who want the job, and there are people who the job wants. I am the man who the job wants. The other people are people who want the job. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.